Bob Carr here for another episode of the Bob Carr Show. In the studio today, I got Mr. Ever. Been with TLC. We worked together for the last, how many years, Mr. Ever?
Almost 20 years.
20 years. Holy cow, that's a lot of years.
Yeah.
So, what'd you start off? Tell everybody out there in TLC land, what'd you start off doing?
I'm gonna start doing helping with the crews.
So you start off as a laborer.
Yes, sir.
And you learned a lot since then.
Yeah.
And now you're running your own service route.
Yes, definitely.
So how's it been the last 20 years?
Been doing great, sir.
So you're from Guatemala originally.
Yes,
you
sir.
came to the U.S. 20-some years ago. Was this your first job in the United States?
My third job.
Third job?
Yeah.
What'd you do when you first came to the United States?
I'm doing auto glass.
So you first came to the United States, you were doing auto glass.
Yeah.
Okay, what was your second job?
And some sheetrock.
Sheetrock work?
Yeah.
I gotcha. So they were your two entry-level jobs. Get you going, got some cash going. So what are you doing? What are you currently doing at TLC?
Now I'm a service tech.
Service tech?
Yes, sir.
So all spring you've been starting up lawn sprinkler systems.
Yes.
So how's that been going?
Going good.
Going good?
Yes, sir.
A lot of customers purchasing Hydro-Wise controllers, and what do you see as pluses and minuses with that with clients?
Some of the customers like the Hydro-Wise because of the technology, but some of them, I don't know why.
It's beyond them.
Mm-hmm.
You think a customer gets, I don't know if a customer gets old. I think they just get old to the idea they don't want to change.
Yeah.
I think everybody has a hard time changing. And as we get older, people don't want to adapt and take new technology, or they don't see the benefit of it. And there's some customers, I don't care what age they are, they shouldn't have that kind of technology because they use it the wrong way. So what's your favorite part?
The work and all. I like my work.
So you like driving around, talking to customers, helping customers out?
This is not that stressful, so I'm everywhere. Yeah.
So you're not nowhere one place a long time because you're constantly moving to another site, helping out another client.
Yeah, so it's not that stressful. So that's.
I got you like that. Gotcha. Because some people have really stressful jobs and they don't like their job. Nothing worse than not liking your job and you're working at 8, 10, 12 hours a day and you just dislike it.
Yeah, I love my work, definitely.
Good deal, man. Good deal. Well, we appreciate you having you as part of the TLC family for 20 years, sir.
Thank you.
This wraps up another episode of the Bob Carr Show. Stay tuned next week for another episode.